Hello, I'm Tom D'Amico, founder of American Flags Express Incorporated. Our company is known worldwide for the large flags which we rent and sell. Our large flags have been displayed at racetracks, sporting events, patriotic events, and even on the beaches of Normandy, France. Oftentimes, people ask us how these large flags are manufactured, so we've decided to create this how-to video.
We start by creating several renderings showing how the flag would fit within the customer's space. After the customer approves the size and budget, the entire construction process is laid out on computer, making most efficient use of the fabric and assembly. The flag being shown in this example will eventually measure 160 feet by 300 feet, the same size as a football field. Cutting the raw stock. Manufacturing begins with the careful square cutting of the stripes. Each stripe is made from multiple strips of fabric which are sewn together. The process starts with the assembly of the bottom stripes. All the sewing is done by skilled seamstresses, trimming the longest stripes. This section of the flag is so large it takes 15 staff members to move it and stretch it tight. The bottom section of the flag is now ready for final length trimming. A chalk line is put in place and snapped before making the final cut. We only have one chance to cut it correctly. Optimizing star material. At the same time the stripes are being prepared, we are also working on the union, which is commonly called the star field. The stars are cut out of an applique material using a computer-controlled hot knife. Taping stars to the blue field. Double-faced tape is applied to the back of the stars, and the stars are carefully positioned on the blue field. Positioning is critical because the blue field is also made up of multiple stripes. Eventually, everything must match up perfectly. Sewing the stars. With the stars carefully taped in position, each is sewn into place. After the blue field is completely assembled, it is taken outside, stretched tight, and carefully measured to make sure everything is perfect. Joining the union to the stripes. With all the major sections of the flag completed, we now need to join everything together. The flag is so large and so heavy it takes a crew of people for every sewing step. Reinforced edge with handles. Now the entire perimeter of the flag is reinforced with a heavy webbing material with fabric handles spaced every 3 feet. As the last corner of the flag receives a final inspection, the American Flags Express garment tag is sewn on, indicating the flag has been fully inspected and meets with our high standards. The crate is covered and bolted shut for transport. Just a few days later, the crate arrives safely for its first unveiling. This is always a very exciting event and will be for years to come. Here are some interesting facts. The flag weighs approximately 1,600 pounds and requires 184 people to handle it safely. Each star measures almost 10 feet across. Each stripe measures over 12 feet wide. It required over 48,000 square feet of nylon.
We hope you'll think of American Flags Express the next time you want to purchase a high-quality American flag or flagpole, whether it be one of our small 4x6 inch desktop flags or a flag for your home, business, or organization. We have over 27,000 flags and flag-related products and over 300,000 customers worldwide. It would be our pleasure to serve you.